Good day to drive, especially in this 2023 Honda Ridgeline with black exterior and black interior with red stitches, seating for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include moonroof, navigation, cold weather package, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle, would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website island4.ca. We'll be so happy to have you here. And now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks and power windows, as well as your gas cap release and memory for 2 drivers. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar, all with the mats on the floor with the Ridgeline badging. Your parking assist, traction control, light controls, lane keeping assist, and your power mirror controls. Sliding into the vehicle to start, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, lane keeping assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touch screen with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, navigation, and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. You've got your volume controls, hazard light, below your dual climate control system with heated and cooled seats, air conditioning, defrost, and other functions. A little bit of room for storage, a 12-volt outlet, USB charging port and an aux, your wireless charging pad, gear shift dial, 2 cup holders, auto start and stop, armrest for both driver and passenger, and you've got storage below with a USB charging port and a 12-volt outlet, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, rear window controls, your moonroof controls. The screen will be manual but the glass will be powered, and your light controls. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, body color door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, a gas cap on the driver's side. In the rear, you've got a high mount light, and your backup camera would be above the Honda badging. Trailer tow hitch, pin connectors, sensors on the back bumper, and a tonneau cover. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle and pull it down. Here you access the cargo area, and it can open as the swing gate. Grab the handle and open it. And here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Lighting to enhance your nighttime visibility when you're putting stuff in the cargo bed. And underneath, you've got more room for storage and your spare tire. When you're done, just close it. And you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows, and a cup holder for added convenience. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. To do so, just pull the handle and pull your seat up. Here you're looking at your extra carpet and mats. And when you're done, pull the handle again and fold your seat down. Anchors to set our baby seat, an armrest with 2 cup holders, all with the mats on the floor, slim pockets behind the front seats, your air vents, climate control system for the back seats with air conditioning, defrost, and heated seats, USB charging ports, your moonroof, hooks and handle, dome light, and your rear powered window. Backup camera in the rear, a tonneau cover, privacy glass at the back windows, body colored adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal, halogen headlights and fog lights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.